Hello and thank you for joining me for another episode of Lewis the Tech Guy. I'm Lewis the Tech Guy. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to build this in Flutter. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so we got a lot to go over. Today, essentially what we're going to be going over is how to make a tab bar and go from there. So in our app bar, we're going to go, so right now we are in the app bar. So in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a property of bottom and call the bottom property. And in here, we're going to add a tab bar. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a list of tabs in here. And so the tab accept a child of widget. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a text one, and just through the magic of copy and paste, we're going to select this, Control copy, Control V. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3. All right, so then down here in our center, we're going to replace the center, and what we're going to call is a tab bar view. And in here, it takes children. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a child icon, and I'm going to call icons. Let's see if we can get something with a 1. Looks 1. Let's use that one. And then icon, and this time we're going to do icons dot, let's see, anything with a 2. So we get number 2 on here. There we go, look at that, looks 2. And then icon, let's see if we can keep it up with 3. Anything with the number 3 on there. 3D, sure, we'll take it. Alright, so if I hot refresh this, let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. We got a nice little setup here. We got our app bar, and we have our little tab bar, 1, 2, 3, and it links up, and you can swipe it, and that's wonderful. That's nice stuff. You can also change the color of the app bar to make it look a little different. Background color, colors that white, as I did in our preview. So that's white. What we got to make sure we do then is we have to change the indicator color in here. So you gotta add all these properties. Or nope, picked the wrong one. Sorry about that. Indicator color, colors.black. Because now so now we have our indicator color in there. And let's try also. So now we can track it. Let's add our indicator and add a box decoration, and in this box decoration we'll give it a color, colors.red. We'll give it a border radius circular, and we'll go big. Let's go 50. Let's hot reload this, see what's going on so far. Oh, look at that. Now we're starting to look pretty like what we had in our demo. We're almost getting there. We're quite there. The only problem right now is you can't see the options that are not selected. So let's change that. And let's get the color, and let's change that to a red accent. So now if I hot reload that, beautiful. So now they show up like that. I'm going to change my text style over here, the color, because you can't see it anymore. Text style, font. Oh wait, no, just do the color. Telling you, losing my mind here. There you go. Colors dot red. And beautiful. There it is. Sorry, I had a little memory loss there. All right, so one quick thing about this though. Let's say we wanted a fifth tab or fourth tab, right? So let's add tab, and we want to say we're gonna conveniently call this 4. And then we're gonna add another page or another icon for it to track on. Now remember, typically you would be in here adding pages, screens, should I say, instead of adding icons. So if I hot reload this, I'm gonna get an error. And that is because we have not created a controller to link these two up. So what we have to do is up here, we have to create a TabBAr controller. So I'm gonna do a tab controller. I'm gonna create it, and I'm gonna call it my tab controller. And then I'm going to, in our init state, I'm going to initialize this, right? So I'm going to say my TabBAr controller equals TabBAr controller. And in here, it expects a vsync. And we're going to get an error, and I'll explain this in a second. And I'm going to give it an initial index. And so to fix our current problem that we want 4 tabs and 4 pages, I'm going to label it 4. All right, this vsync is giving us an error because what it is expecting is a single ticker provider state mixin, which I can do a class on all by itself, but essentially is what provides our timer here for it to stay all in sync. All right, what's going on here? Add required length. Oh, sorry, I was wrong here. It's length that's required here. Initial index is basically where do you want it to start. All right, so now if I have to come back to my TabBAr, and under the controller property, I can give it my TabBAr controller, and then down here in the TabBAr view, also my TabBAr controller. Now if I hot reload this, it's really upset. I have to restart it, sorry, because this is in the init state, but there you go. There you have it. And you can add a bunch of stuff to this. You can add a scroll. You can add more. Oh, the initial. All right, so if I wanted to start, let's say I wanted to start at 3, I can say here, remember this is an index, so this would be 0, 1, 2. So I would say start at 2, and then restart this from fresh. And there you go, it starts from there. That's probably a bad example because it's already started on there. Let's set it at 1 and then restart the app. And right here, it started there. All right. So, quick tutorial how to make use of a TabBAr. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions or you'd like me to make something else, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and make any comments, like, share. I love coding and I want you to love it too. Take care. Bye.